Good morning. Good morning. I'm getting ready to head out to the salon. And I was going to do a braid out. And then I decided to try something different. These are the braids that I put in my hair. It's not a lot of them. I don't know how many. And I decided to do something different. So just hang in there with me. But before I do that, let me thank my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support throughout this year. And since I've started my Sisterlock Journey, I really appreciate all of you for hanging in there with me and just becoming a part of the G&G family. Thank you so much for subscribers that's been in there for a while and those that are new. I appreciate your support so much. And I pray that you have a wonderful and glorious, prosperous new year. For those of you that are listening to me right now, you're watching me and you're seeing my excitement. Come on. If you haven't joined the G&G family, don't wait any longer. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Now, my hairstyle for today is going to be something I've never done before. I'm going to take these braids and try to make them into a ponytail. I've been a ponytail girl now for a few days. So I'm going to take it and I just looked at my hair and almost decided to do something different, but I've done that before. Put it half up and half down. Today, I'm making a ponytail. I'm going to take my brown adjust-a-band and I'm going to make it a little bit longer just by pulling on it. It's just like a belt, and I've shown you this before. Take these braids, pull them back. And then I'm going to pull the end of the belt or the adjuster band. And I'm tucking it into the hair. Then I'm going to take one of these because I decided I don't want my ponytail hanging down. I'm going to make it into a bun. And that should hold it securely. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. And I've only been in this camera for a little over 4 minutes. My 360. Have a great day.